Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and sorry about the junky mess and the sounds that you hear. My windows are open, trying to get some fall breeze into my house, and it's a beautiful day, so you can hear all the sounds outside. Sorry about that. Anyway, I am here with a quick project share, and a video response for Sandi's challenge, for 8,000 challenge, Decorate Your Life. Her new title is Decorate Your Life Scrapbooks and Cards, I believe, or scrapbook anymore, one of them. But anyway, she's still, you can find her under Decorating Your Life, Decorate for Your Life. And then I wrote down that her challenge ended on the 19th. And I looked back at it and I realized it was the 9th, which is my son's birthday. So I had been busy doing other stuff. So I'm like, this is Sunday. So I'm like, and it got to be postmarked by Tuesday. So I had to hurry up and get something done. Today I thought I had another week, another 10 days or so. So anyway, good thing I looked. I would have missed her challenge. And anyway, so she just had a Rolodex challenge for her, Memberdex challenge for her 8,000 Subbie. And I used Graphic 45 Ladies Diary, and just made a real quick memory decks, and I will show it to you. So I just layered some pieces and a little bit of lace on the bottom right here, and this is a Heidi Swap die, and just fussy cut all those pieces out and ink them with vintage photo, put a little bling on it, and I gotta put my stuff on the back. And it's like 4 layers thick, so nice thick a Memberdex card. And then I made her a little card to go along with it. I used a Spellbinders die, not Spellbinders, Anna Griffin die that says hello. And the rest is just images that I fussy cut out. Cut out, not fussy cut, cut out and layered in some black, put a little bling on it for her card as well. And I'm gonna write her a note in there. And then I just want to make her a few little tags. I used this Sizzix die right here that I got on clearance from Hobby Lobby when it had this sale, and I used this circular one here and a stamp in here that says to from, and I just decided real quickly to make her 8 little tags. You can use this as a tag flip, but really I made them for individual tags, so I stamped the to and from on the back of all of them, and I used my We Are Memory Keepers whole reinforcement on all of them to punch out the reinforcement, so each one of them a little bit different. And again, I didn't have much time to make these, but just show you, I used some fun fur and some bling on that one to fussy cut that out from the paper, and hope the lighting is not too bad. And fussy cut her out just some strips and some bling, and again the hole punch. So that's on the back. Fussy cut her out and put some rickrack on it and some bling. And some gold metallic thread is under there, and fussy cut those ladies out and put a little piece of purple on the bottom under there. And this reinforcer on the back, the B side of the reinforcer of the paper. Just some layers, and had the lady and some bling. Just the ladies and some bling, and some layering of the paper. And just some metallic and some matting and layering of the paper. And then this one has some fun fur and layering and matting. And that's it. So I made those real quick, and I will get that shipped out and postmarked by tomorrow. That's my goal. So anyway, check out Sandi's channel. You will love it. She does a lot of creations, many albums, but she also does a lot of cards, and she's on the design team for Spellbinders, so you will be impressed. She also has a blog as well, so check out her information. I have her link below. And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribe. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.